Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will learn and understand the builder design pattern. So what is this builder design pattern? Before that, we will try to understand why this design pattern comes into picture. So in previous video, I have discussed about the factory design pattern. And in the factory design pattern, we are providing parameters and on the basis of parameter, uh, object is being created. Fine. Now tell me what happens if the number of parameter is really in large number, maybe in 30, 50, and it can be 70, 80 numbers of parameter we are passing. Then how you will manage and create object? That is the first. Second, how will you manage the order of the parameter? Third, how will you manage to create object by using this parameter if any of the parameter is optional? Then you have to do overriding. You have to override the constructor, right? So it's a bit complex, right? So that's why builder came into picture. Builder is a creational design pattern that basically creates a complex object step by step. Fine. Let's see how this is implemented, and now you will know about this in better way. Let's quickly make a builder directory. Inside this directory, I will make one builder class. Fine. Okay. Now, I will initialize some of the variables inside this builder class, and I'll try to initialize this variable as constant because I don't want my object to be created again, and I also don't want the variables to be declared or reinitialized. Let's see, constant string email, constant string password. Fine. Before that, I will include with slash std c++.h using namespace std. Fine. I will try to make a private constructor. As I said, I don't want my object to be created inside. Like I don't want this object to be created by any other class. Fine. Let's see. Okay. Okay. Fine. Let's see what's okay. I will make this as a public. Fine. Let's create a subclass of this class, which I will name as user builder. Okay, so I'll initialize here as well. Uh, User email and user password. Fine. Now I'll take a setter of this builder class inside my user builder subclass. Let's take builder class and this setter class will have return type as uh, okay. What I'm trying to here do is method chaining. I'm trying to apply. You will get it. Before that, I need to write user builder. Fine. Set email string mail this dot user email is equal to email. Fine. User builder set password string pass this dot user password is equal to pass. Okay, I have to return here now. Let's return this star. Okay, many of you must. I'm aware that many of you are not knowing why I'm using here star and here ampersand. See, basically, you tell me. Let's say return this. What will this return? Now tell me. This will return. This will return what? This will return pointer. Pointer of this class. Okay. And what about this? What it will return? It will return copy of this class. Okay. And since I am returning copy of this class, so I wanted this as I wanted the method should be return type should be by reference, not a value by value. Fine. That's why I'm using ampersand here and nothing more than that. Now I'll use here builder build and inside this I will return what? I will return builder with user email and user password. That means I am initializing you email and password here. I'm basically calling builder, this builder constructor inside the builder method. So I need to take the argument user email and user password. Fine. And since I have used constant, that's why I have to that's why I have to initialize email and password in initializing list. Fine. So let's initialize email here. Before that, uh, I'm trying to look why I'm using here in what why I'm using constant here. As I told you earlier, that I wanted my email and password not to be initialized again. It is simple as that. That's why I'm using here user email and which will be initialized by email. Fine. And password using user password. That's fine. I think everything is fine here. I have to take public, otherwise it will be private. Looks great till now. And before that, I have to take pragma once. Fine. Let's see what happens next. Next, we try to make a client class. Okay, class. Okay, we what we'll do? We will pass my user object, user builder object inside builder class. I mean, what I'm trying to do. I'll first initialize this user builder object, and using that, I will try to set email and set password, and then I will call build, and using which the object of this builder class will be created, and my value of user email and password will be stored inside my email and password respectively. Fine. So that's how we can set our email and password using multiple parameter. Let's see what happens. So user user builder. Oh, okay. First, I will include builder.h, and since I'm using subclass that I need to have this builder inside user builder. Fine, and this will be user or you can say builder user. Okay, I have created object here. What's happened? Inaccessible. Why is so? Mm, mm. Builder.h is inaccessible. Okay, sir, fine. Here also I have to initialize her with public. Fine, fine. Let's create now builder user dot set email. Using this builder user, I'm calling set email. Fine. Inside this, I'll pass one string that is abc@gmail.com. Fine. And since this is a method chaining, this is going to return again the same object. And using the same object, I'll call again set password, and that will be abc. And now I'll call build. It is build or build? Build. Okay. Okay. Now this build will return what? This will return builder class, builder object. So let's have this builder user dot okay builder user. Fine. So now, though I got this user object, I can print user dot email, user dot password. Fine. Hashtag include its slash std.h using name space std. Okay, what's this declaration has no storage class or type specifier. Why why no storage class? Email and password, right? It is right. Email and password. Uh, let's see what's happening. Okay, sorry. I have to use here main. See, um, I used to do coding in Java, and that's why uh, I was little bit confusion. Okay, no problem. I think everything is right here. Let's try to compile this code. Builder B++. Okay, see here we get this email and password. So what I have done, see here I have tried to call object or make object on the basis of parameter, but here I can change the order of the parameter. Fine. It is basically creating object using step by step. First, it will create object and pass parameter of email, and then it will create object and pass a parameter of set password. I can also interchange the places. That's not an issue. Here I can use, and again it will work fine. See the same output I have got. So the builder design pattern basically we try to do when we have lots of parameter. Here I have just used the two parameter, but suppose let's say we have the case of 50 60 parameter and we have to also maintain the order. So we try to overcome this thing by using a builder class. Here we don't have to maintain the order, and we can just call it a builder class, and it will create object, and we do not have to maintain optional parameter as well. If we do not provide any email, let's say we have email is optional, I don't want to provide email, then also it will work fine. Let's see this is a password, and since email is nothing, it is showing me null value. Fine, it will be just uh, it is not in the initialize, that's why. So all I'm trying to say is that it is basically overcoming the factory pattern. It is overcoming all the limitation of factory pattern, and this is only it is prescribed that it should be used only when we have lots of parameters, and we need to maintain the optional parameter as well as there's a limitation of order of parameter, right? So we can use builder design pattern, and builder design pattern basically build objects step by step. Fine. So I hope you enjoyed this video and learn a few things with me, and see you next time.